Easy, we're gonna start with some questions, okay? So question number one is, what do you think is your sexiest feature? Okay? ¿Qué parte de ti crees que es lo más sexy? ¿Cuál es lo que más encuentras más sexy? And the second question is, if you were to be an animal, which animal would you be? And why? Okay? Si fueras un animal, ¿qué animal serías y por qué? If you could turn yourself into an animal, which animal would you be and why? So let's see, question number one, what is your sexiest feature, Salvatore?
Is it my arms?
The arms.
No. Is it the package? No, it's my mind.
The mind is the sexiest feature. Alright. Now, if you were to be an animal, if you can turn yourself into an animal, which animal would that be and why?
I think an octopus. So like 8 hands. I'm like,
Okay, octopus, it's the first. Thank you, Salvatore. Keep that in mind, ladies. Alright, Joaquin, what is which one is your sexiest feature?
My belly.
Your belly is the sexiest feature, okay? And if you were to be an animal, which animal would you be and why?
A penguin.
Why?
To be with my judges the rest of my life.
So we have an octopus and a penguin over here. Murad, what is your sexiest feature?
my salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, yeah, I like that. And if you were to be an animal, which animal would you be and why?
I want to be a dog, lovely, faithful, honest.
Aww. Now come over here so we can move on to the next part of this round. Come over. You said an octopus, a penguin, and a dog, okay? Now, I want to see you representing your animal. And how would you seduce the ladies over here as your animal? Okay? So please, everybody, put your hands together. Make some noise for Salvatore as an octopus! Different. Coming up next, as a penguin, let's put your hands together for Joaquin! It could have been worse. Last week we had a snake.
Thank you.
Last week we had a snake. It was like, never mind. Next one and last one. As a dog, put your hands together. Give it up for Murad! Good boy.